Hello student, good morning. As you know that in previous online class I have solved the short answer type questions and answered the following questions of lesson 11. Today we have discussed about the next exercise, differentiate between and quick assignment. But before that we have discussed about the homework, those are given in previous online class. Now first see the homework. As you know that in previous online class I have given homework, learn short answer type questions of lesson 11. I hope all of you learned short answer type questions of 11 in proper way, and I request you please, I told many times, and today also I repeat, and please always keep in mind, and I request you follow the instructions. Okay, first uh, you have to learn all exercise of lesson, those are given in homework, and also you have to complete it the chapters, previous chapters, means lesson 11, lesson 8, 10 and 11 in proper way. And in comment box you have to write name, class and section for your attendance. This is compulsory for you, so all students do it, and always you have to complete the homework and learn also. Okay, today we have discussed about the differentiate between. Now see the first, differentiate between. Okay, D, differentiate between. First is magma and lava. What is the difference between magma and lava? Molten rock in the innermost layer of the earth is called magma, while when magma reaches the earth's surface is called lava. मोल्टिन रॉक जब वल्केनो के अंदर रहता है, अर्थ सरफेस के नीचे रहता है, उसको मैग्मा बोलते हैं, और यही मोल्टेन रॉक जब अर्थ सरफेस पे आता है उसको लावा कहते हैं. दिस इज द डिफरेंसेस बिटवीन मैग्मा एंड लावा. नेक्स्ट वन, igneous rock and metamorphic rock. What is the difference between igneous rock and metamorphic rock? You know that igneous rock, how to igneous rock form. You know that rocks formed from magma and lava are called igneous rock. You know that igneous rock magma and lava से बनता है, while rocks formed igneous or sedimentary rocks are called metamorphic rock. Rocks जो igneous rock और metamorphic rock से बनता है उसको metamorphic, igneous rock या sedimentary rock से बनता है उसको metamorphic rock कहते हैं. And you know that the rocks which are formed by the action of heat and pressure are called metamorphic rocks. Both igneous and sedimentary rocks can be changed into metamorphic rock. Example of example of igneous rock, granite, basalt, pumice, and example of metamorphic rocks are slate, marble, gneiss, quartzite, etc. Clear? Now next, third number, pumice and granite. What is difference between pumice and granite? You know that pumice is a lightweight rock, and pumice is formed by the lava froth. Air is trapped inside pumice stone, and this makes it very light. It is used as a building material like concrete blocks, as a teeth polishing powder by dentists, and as a scrubber to remove dead skin cells from the body. And granite, you know that granite also, granite is a most common igneous rock, and granite is a hard rock not soft rock. Granite is used to make paving stone are in buildings. Granite is of different colors. White, grey, pink, red, black are the common. Granite contains basically three minerals. These are quartz, mica, and feldspar. It is used to make building and floors. These are the differences between pumice and granite. Now see in short form. Pumice is a lightweight rock and used as a building material, while granite is a hard rock and used to make building and floors. Now next, fourth number, marble and limestone. Marble and limestone. Marble is the most common used metamorphic rock. Marble is made from limestone and it is found various colors. It can be cut and polished easily. Taj Mahal in Agra is made of white marble. White marble, you know, the marble commonly used metamorphic rock है, और ये लाइमस्टोन दे मेड ऑफ लाइमस्टोन से, ये लाइमस्टोन से बनता है. मार्बल इज ए मेटामॉर्फिक रॉक. ओके, एंड लाइमस्टोन इज अ सेडिमेंट्री रॉक. Limestone is a sedimentary rocks, and you know that the sedimentary rocks is different from other types as not formed by the deposit mud and sand. Limestone is made up of minerals calcite, which is present in the cells of sea animals. When they die, the cells stick to the bottom of the sea and form layers there. It is used in making cement and bricks. Chalk is also a form of limestone. So see here, answer, marble is a metamorphic rock and used to make building and floors, while limestone is a sedimentary rock and made up of mineral calcite. Okay, now this differentiate between, you have to write in copy in proper way. Okay, and I repeat again, so all students see and listen carefully. First number, magma and lava. Molten rock in the innermost layer of the earth is called magma, while when magma reaches the earth's surface is called lava. Second, igneous and metamorphic rock. Rocks formed from the magma and lava are called igneous rock, while rocks formed from igneous or sedimentary rocks are called metamorphic rock. Third number, pumice and granite. Pumice is a lightweight rock and is used as a building materials, while granite is a hard rock and heavyweight and used to make buildings and floors. And fourth number, marble and limestone. Marble is a metamorphic rock and used to make building and floors, while limestone is a sedimentary rock and made up of mineral calcite. You have to write this differentiate between in copy in proper way. Now next exercise. Now a quick assignment. First number, quick assignment, name the following. Here first is exercise, name the following. 5 name the following, name the rock given. Now I'm solving one by one. First number, a light rock with lots of holes in it. Means किस रॉक में जो लाइट रॉक होता है और इसमें बहुत सारा होल्स होता है, किसमें होता है? Yes, right answer is pumice. A light rock with lots of holes in it, pumice. Okay. Next one, second number, a white rock made from limestone. White rock made from limestone. A white rock जो limestone से बनता है. Which? Marble. Right answer is marble. Actually marble is a metamorphic rock, and ये जो limestone है, due to heat and pressure limestone marble में change होता है. Next one, a rock used for making slates and blackboards. ऐसा कौन सा रॉक है जिसका यूज जो है स्लेट और ब्लैक बोर्ड्स बनाने में किया जाता है? आंसर इज स्लेट. अ रॉक्स यूज फॉर मेकिंग स्लेट्स एंड ब्लैक बोर्ड्स, स्लेट. नेक्स्ट वन, फोर्थ नंबर, एंड uneven and coarse rock made of gravel, pebbles and stones cemented together. जो अनइवन है और कोर्स है, खुरदुरा होता है, और जो ग्रेवल, पेबल्स और स्टोन से मिलकर बना होता है, उस स्टोन को, उस रॉक को क्या कहते हैं? कॉन्ग्लोमेरेट. एन अनइवन एंड कोर्स रॉक मेड ऑफ ग्रेवल, पेबल्स एंड स्टोन सीमेंटेड टुगेदर, conglomerate. Next one, a soft rock made of mud and clay. Soft rock जो mud and clay से बना होता है. कौन सा rock जो है mud and clay से बनता है? Shell. Shell. Okay. Right answer is shell. Shell actually a sedimentary rock जो clay and mud से बनता है. And you have to write okay, this name the following in copy in proper way. I repeat again, name the following. First number, a light rock with lots of holes in it, pumice. B. Second number, a white rock made from limestone, marble. Third, a rock used for making slates and blackboards, slates. Fourth, an even and coarse rock made of gravel, pebbles and stones cemented together, conglomerate. Last, fifth number, a soft rock made from mud and clay, shell. You have to write, name the following, name the rock in copy in proper way, and learn also. Okay, you have to write in copy in proper way. Now all student, you have take copy and pen, open your copy and take pen, write homework. And homework is learn, name the following of lesson 11. I repeat again, learn, name the following of lesson 11 in proper way. And I repeat again, you have to write all exercise in copy in proper way. I will check your copy, okay, during the revision time. So all student do it and learn also. And after watching the video, you have to write name, class and section for your attendance daily. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you. God bless you. Thank you.